to be washing our clothes every night. We had to be washing clothes every night so that we had something to wear the next day. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and the gang is here. Woo! But this video is hectic. I don't know. We went to Jamaica recently and we just wanted to talk about our experience with that. Oh my god, it was crazy. We were in Jamaica with no clothes. Let that sit in. Jay's there in the back. Say hi, Jay. Hi. So anyways, guys, we wanted a flight that wasn't too far from us but was getting us to the destination that we were going to. So we got Spirit. Are you okay, bud? We got Spirit. So we found a Spirit flight and we were connected in Fort Lauderdale, where we would have meet up with my family. And you know, we were excited about that because we're all landing in Jamaica at the same time. We're so excited. I had a friend that came along with me and I was so excited to show her Jamaica and everything. Oh my god, we were so excited. I haven't been to Jamaica in 5 years. So have Tyler and Jaden never been. My sister goes every now and then, but I haven't been in 5 years, so I was really looking forward to just going and having a good time in the short time that we had. Eating KFC, eating food. Not have to worry about not having clothes on my back.
I was with her the least.
Oh my god. So like, when we got to the airport, first of all, everything was just wrong. Like, the line was as long to like the escalator, basically. If you've ever been to Philly airport, so when you go downstairs, like going back upstairs, the line was that long. And there was like 4 persons working, but the line wasn't moving. None of the lines were moving. They were just yelling, basically. The line wasn't moving. They did more talking than helping, to be honest, that day. They were just yelling, saying, make sure you're in the right line. If you just yelling, basically. It was chaos.
At like 5 a.m. in the morning.
Yeah. You know, 5 a.m. people are just like waking up. You don't have enough energy. They had so much energy. They were yelling. It was chaotic. Anyways, we made it through just enough time. Luckily, we have TSA pre-check. So we made it through just enough time to board our flight. Our flight was even trying to take off early. Like, we were supposed to board, say, 6:55. Our flight was boarding like 6:30. Saying that last call when I was walking back was last call at 6:30. When our flight was supposed to board at 6:05. That was like the craziest thing. Anyway, we made it onto our flight and we're like, okay, yay, that chaos is done. We're ready for Jamaica. We landed in Fort Lauderdale and we were like, okay, we're waiting for our family. We went to get some breakfast and we were just chilling, having a good time chilling. Our family came and it was time to board the flight, and we waited because we're now those people that wait, because whether we board the flight early, we have children, and we found out when we wait last to board the flight, they don't act up as much more than when we board the flight first. Then they're like antsy, they're tired and exhausted, so they cry a lot. So we board the flight last, and that's been working for us for our last couple of trips we've been on. Anyways, we did everything good. Flight was good. Fell asleep because we were exhausted because we were traveling from like what time did we leave out? 12 a.m.
Yeah. It was like an entire day.
Yeah, we left out at 12 a.m. So we were exhausted. So we fell asleep. Finally landed in Jamaica, going through immigration in Jamaica. As I mentioned, I was traveling with a friend. I had Tyler and the baby. So because I had the baby, they pushed us through in another line. But I was traveling with a friend, so I said, this person's with me. Is it okay for them to come too? And he was like, yeah man, yeah man, yeah man. Anyways, when we went up there, and I was calling my friend and say, come, we're all going because we're all together. Because when we travel anywhere else and we're all together, they looked at all of us. Like when we're all together, they take all of us at that counter whenever we're traveling. So I'm doing the same. I'm like, it's my friend. We're going all together up to the counter because she's traveling with me. I don't want her to like be lost or get lost. So anyways, when we were going up, they were like, wait, hold up. They were like, what's going on? Too much going on. I'm like, we're all together. The guy pushed us through. It was like, and they start asking questions. Who with this? Who with that? Whatever. Anyways, that done. We got through, and we're there waiting for our bags. Bags start coming in, and Tyler's there standing, waiting for the bags. My sister had Jaden, and my sister around there, she had Jaden, and we're just standing waiting for our bags, ready to go because we're in Jamaica. My first stop is KFC. I'm so pumped. I'm excited. Then the airport got empty, and we're still standing waiting for our bag. And then at one point there was like probably 6 of us. We all just like looked at each other like, what's going on? Because there was like 6 of us left, and we were like, what's going on? And then I was like, I asked someone, are you from Philly? They said yes, they're flying from Philly. And then I asked someone else, are you flying from Philly? They said yes, they're flying from Philly. So all of us that were there were flying from Philly to Jamaica, and none of us got our bags.
We're still in Philadelphia.
Imagine you are on vacation for a short period of time. You picked out your best outfits to make sure you look good for the short period of time. You're traveling with a baby, a little toddler, and you have most of their stuff, because we try to like pack everything in one so that we don't travel with a lot of stuff. Especially traveling with the baby, we want to make sure that we have free hands if he wants to walk, bathroom, whatever he needs to do. Nothing, no suitcase, nothing. We went home that day without clothes, without anything. Like, I had a baby bag for Jaden, and that's what I had. A few, like, he could have survived for like a day or two because I always like packs like that for him. But because I was so excited for this trip, I wasn't thinking that anything could go wrong. Typically I would pack safe, to be honest, but I've been like so lucky. I want to say we've been so lucky so far where nothing has happened like this. So it kind of just like puts us back in a place where we're like, you gotta be prepared for anything, like literally anything at all. We had a carry-on bag, and based on the days that we were there, we could have probably like packed all of our stuff in that carry-on bag, but we did not. We packed, like, I had underwears in that bag, a few little toiletries and stuff like that. So nothing much. Jaden, a few snacks for Jaden was in that bag. So he had stuff to eat because he's a picky eater, so I brought stuff for him. He had stuff to eat and clothes to wear, luckily, because we brought a diaper bag. But people like Tyler had his knapsack, and with Tyler he always packs something extra in his knapsack too, so he was good for like 2 days too. But still, I wasn't good. My sister wasn't good.
We didn't go anywhere.
We couldn't go anywhere. Like, I had one pair of bathing suits. No, I had 2 pair of bathing suits. and in that bag too. So we ended up going to the beach, and I had that bathing suit on the entire day. I wasn't even planning on wearing that bathing suit. I was about to give that bathing suit away. I had to wear it, one bathing suit for the entire day. The next day I had to wear my mother's clothes. I had to wear my mother's clothes. I was in Jamaica with nothing. She was in Jamaica with nothing. She had friends.
I have to go back because that wasn't fun.
No, it was not. She had friends. I couldn't be like dressed up. You know, I wasn't comfortable. I was just rushing around. It was just chaotic. It was chaotic, but different from that, the friend that I brought, she didn't get her stuff too, but we made it work and we still went places. It could have been a more fun, more relaxed trip that we were looking for, but we did not necessarily get that. We still went to do stuff. We still went to the beach. We wanted to go to Ochi, but we didn't get to do that. We spent time with family. We went to like Boston. We did a lot of stuff. We went to parties. So we still got to do stuff, but it wasn't with the cause of chaos that caused it. So with the chaos put aside, we had fun. It could have been better, but due to the chaos, we had fun. We did not have like the relaxing, I should say. We did not have the relaxing time that we wanted because of the chaos, because we were just worried about our luggage. You know, imagine going to a strange country and nothing to wear. It was horrible. It was horrible. And it's just the idea of them trying to like deliver it for us, where we didn't even like say, okay, let's go buy clothes. Imagine that too.
It was a holiday. You forgot?
Oh yes, it was a holiday, so we couldn't even like buy anything too. It was crazy. It was just like a crazy time. Holiday? Okay. But anyways, that's our little struggle of going to Jamaica.
Wait, it's the fact that they wanted to send the suitcase the day before we leave. Remember?
Yes.
They said it might come
might come the day before we leave. And we're like, what? Just send it back to our house.
Literally.
Because what? And then after we argued, they were like, okay, we're going to bring it the next day, which if we landed Wednesday, they were supposed to bring it Thursday. So we were just on our seats waiting for those bags to be delivered. So we didn't even get to buy clothes or anything, because we were like, they're going to deliver it. You know, we were thinking that they're going to deliver it. They did not. And then the other day, that's when they delivered it. But still, imagine, no clothes. You have a visitor, they have no clothes. Tyler, a guy, no clothes. We were sweating because it was so hot. We had to be in like one outfit, like me, the bad suit, for the entire day. Then ended up wearing my mom's clothes. Luckily, my mom always bring like underwear and stuff. So Tyler got underwears to wear that were new, etc. But we had to be washing our clothes every night. We had to be washing clothes every night so that we had something to wear the next day. Oh my god. But anyways, guys, we made it through. It was a fun trip. It was. Despite the chaos of not having clothes, it was a fun trip. But yeah, we'll be going back soon.
Definitely.
Because we need to make up for that.
Yeah.
We need to make up for that. But we'll be going back soon, and we will have more fun this time. But yeah. Anyways, guys. Yeah, and don't comment, oh, don't travel on Spirit. To be honest, this is our first like Spirit incident that we've had. We've traveled on them a lot, and we've not had like incidents like this. So we're like, we have nothing to complain about. But this is the first time we've had a incident like this. So we'll see what happens the next time. But again, it just depends on the flights that's available and what time you want to travel. The cost too. But all of that comes into plan when we're booking a flight. So we'll see what happens next time. But anyways, guys, Thanks for coming on our little rant. We hope to see you in our next video.
Bye.
Bye.